The bigger the better, right? The higher the hair, the closer to heaven. Catch my drift? Okay, this angle is not working for me, but I'm using my new tripod and I don't think it's a good idea. Like, what is this? Down to up? I could probably see out my nose. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the new Boxycharm box, and this is the February Boxycharm box. I don't know what's inside, but I accidentally seen a sneak peek on Instagram, and they were showing somebody maybe got a Too Faced mascara, so I'm hoping I got a Too Faced mascara in here. I'm not sure, but we're about to find out. Are y'all ready? Well, let's see. This box is called Afterglow. I'm not gonna look at what's in there, but this is what I'm seeing so far. So I'm gonna pull out the first thing because this looks really interesting. This is No Problem Primer, smooth and pore covering. Top secret for perfect makeup, and I'm assuming the brand is Touch in Soul. And this is what it looks like. I hope my lighting is good right now because my ring light decided not to work today. So RIP for the ring light. But okay, so this is a primer that looks really nice. I'm gonna be trying that out. Next thing we have here is from Pharmacy. This is a Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. That looks really nice. It's been a long time since I used a actual face wash, so I really look forward to using this. It's an ultra gentle facial cleansing gel that washes away surface oil impurities, pollution residue, and makeup while nourishing the skin with honey, and hyaluronic acid. So we got a face wash and a primer so far. Girl, what did I get here? Don't be looking at my prizes. Okay, so we actually got the Too Faced mascara. I can't believe it. Oh my God. This is cool. So this is the Too Faced mascara. A full tube of Too Faced mascara just came in my Boxycharm box. I can't believe it. Next, we got a lip crayon. This is really cool because it actually looks like a crayon. That's so weird. So this says Trustique. It also says on the bottom primer inside. That's so cute. It's a little baby primer. That's adorable. And this is the lip color. Now y'all know me. I don't like these dark colors, but I'll test it out today for fun, but that's pretty dark. What color is this? English Rose. Okay, and last but not least, well man, that was quick. I got a pretty vulgar product here, and this is Shimmering Swan Glimmers of BS Highlighter. I love the Pretty Vulgar packaging. I just love them. But yeah, so this is a highlighter, and this packaging is literally so adorable and fancy. I also have this from Pretty Vulgar, which I love. This is the Nightingale eyeshadow palette. I also got this in Boxycharm. I use this palette quite often. And I don't know if you guys remember, but I also got this powder from Pretty Vulgar from the Boxycharm box. So yeah. Okay, so let's get on with the prices. So just so you know, Boxycharm is a subscription box. It's only $21 a month, girlfriend, and every box is filled with amazing stuff. You cannot go wrong with Boxycharm. So let's go over the prices. So for $21, you pay $21 for the Boxycharm box, and this is the value of all the products inside. The Too Faced Better Than Mascara is actually $24, so this costs more than the box alone, $24. The Pretty Vulgar highlighter is $32. Sweet mother. The primer is $18. The face wash is $22. That's a lot of money for a little face wash. This better be some really good stuff. The Prime and Glaze lip crayon was $25. Oh my gosh, this is some pricey stuff all for $21. Now, there's not a lot of stuff for me to try, but we're gonna do a little testing real quick. I actually just washed my face, but I wanna try this, so I'm gonna try it, okay? This smells like honey. Oh my God, that smells good. Okay, what does it say? Apply to wet skin. I'm a rebel. All right, so I'm just gonna flop this on my face real quick. My face is not wet, but this is sudsing up pretty good for a dry face. Actually gonna go rinse this off, but I'm gonna let the honey soak in. Yes, girl, let the honey soak in your skin so you can be a little honeybee. I'm gonna go rinse this off really quick. I will come back. I will tell you how I feel about it. Okay, so I just rinsed my face off and my face feels super like clean and fresh. And girl, I got a little glow right there. Forget this pretty vulgar highlighter because I got the highlighter. Is it worth the price though? I don't know. I guess I'll find out. Let's see. It supposedly lifts dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. It's gentle enough for daily use. Oh, good for those with sensitive skin. That's awesome. It has coconut, sugar, amino acids, and powerful botanical blends of turmeric. Girl, that is so good for your skin. Chamomile, calendula, probably pronounced that wrong. Aloe, that's good for your skin too. And licorice root. Okay, maybe this is worth the price because honestly, my skin feels so good right now. So as long as it doesn't break me out or cause any irritation, that's gonna be a good face wash for me. Okay, so let's get into this face really quick. I'm actually going to lotion really fast. I'm gonna use my anti-aging lotion from Just Nutritive. The pump is broken, so I have to like scrape it off the little thingy there. I'm gonna lotion quick. I've actually already used the Too Faced mascara before, but I will go ahead and put it on for you guys today.
I got some rice cooking in the microwave. I got a 5-year beard I don't plan to shave.
Okay, all right, so this gives me no instructions on the bottle. Oh my Lord, I just dropped my Boxycharm box. Girl like me needs instructions, okay? Create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, gives your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. Girl, anything that's gonna blur out my pores and my wrinkles is good for me. So let's go ahead and pop on some of this primer. Oh my God, do you hear those birds in the background? They're crazy. Okay, so I'm probably applying this wrong because I actually don't use primer. Yeah, I'm probably doing this all wrong, but whatever. Give me a break here. So first impression, this stuff feels super silky. Like super silky. Like, girl, I could rub this on my face all day. Ooh, I don't even care if you be covering up my wrinkles and pores. As long as you keep feeling like this, I use you up. You know what? I forgot to put me some earrings in. I am not on my game today. Okay, so I'm going to give this primer a few minutes to do whatever it's gonna do. Is it blurring my wrinkles yet? I'm just gonna go in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind because this is what I like to use if I don't feel like using foundation. And as you can see, I just plop it all over my face. I look like some kind of caveman or something. I just put this all over as if it's foundation. I mean, it kind of works the same, and I feel like it's a lot better for my skin. I don't know why. Plus it's got like anti-aging stuff in it, so why not? Okay, I know I'm like rubbing the sponge all over my head and you're supposed to pat it or whatever, but that's just how I roll sometimes. And cover up these stupid red dots. And I'm also gonna add some of this concealer right here just for extra coverage. By the way, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. So going to go in with another concealer, and I know this is about the time when everybody says, why are you putting on so much concealer? You know what? Because I like to, that's why. I like to put a lot of stuff everywhere. Okay? Is that okay with you? Because it's totally okay with me. Gonna blend all this out. Oh, I'm sorry. Just now I applied, what was that? I really like using this on top of my already done concealer because I feel like it really brightens it. But this is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I don't even know what shade I got, but y'all probably remember when I got it a while back and I thought it was too white. But I ended up really liking it because it's super brightening, as you can see. So gonna go in with a little contour shade because I am super white, so this kind of helps to tone down the ghostliness of my face. And this contour palette is from Measurable Difference, and it is Cream Contour. I'm gonna blend this out. I'm just trying to add some extra color. I'm not actually trying to contour my facial structure because, girl, ain't nobody got time for that. I have a really tiny face, so I don't know. I don't really think contour is good for me. Look at me. Oh, I look like a maniac. A little powder bronzer now. I'm gonna use one of my DO color brushes, like a fluffy angled brush. I like to use this brush for bronzer and blush. And with a little touch of powder, this is Rimmel and it's the Stay Matte. And I'm just using this little poofy poof and I'm just gonna kind of slap my face to death with it. To go in with a bigger brush and just kind of make sure that's all blended out. Spray my face with some Slay All Day setting spray. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and I'll see you guys in a second. So I just filled in my eyebrows and I feel like they're really out there right now. I feel like they need to be brushed. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the mascara now. By the way, I'm using my Slay All Day handheld mirror by Gerard Cosmetics. I love Gerard Cosmetics, by the way. All right, so I'm gonna go in with some primer first. My eyelashes, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous. It's my favorite. I never was an eyelash primer girl before, but I've gotten so addicted to this stuff that I keep repurchasing it and I just can't stop. See my white eyelashes? They're so beautiful. What is this, girl? Okay, so we're gonna go in with the Too Faced mascara. This is really heavy feeling, by the way. I've never actually bought a full tube of this mascara before, but I have in the past bought the travel size. And I don't remember if I like it or not, but it looks okay right now. Obviously just put on like a small coat, but then I'm gonna go in with some more. Okay, so I just got done applying the mascara. Looking good, girl. Okay, so let's go in with this highlighter. Pretty excited about this. So this is the Pretty Vulgar highlighter. Look at this packaging. This packaging alone is like everything, girl. All right, let me just see with my finger real quick what I think about this. And put a little on my nose with my finger. Okay, hey girl. All right, I can dig it. So, I feel like this is really pretty and it's really like dainty and subtle, but I feel like adding a little more just to see what kind of power this stuff has. Okay, yeah, that is very pretty actually. Girl, look at those roots. Roots be growing in. Okay, so far, obviously the mascara is good. I think the primer was okay. I don't know. I'll see like later. I need to add some blush and then we're going to try out this color, the lip color. Okay, I probably should have put the blush on first before I went in with the highlighter, but I wasn't thinking and I was so excited to try it. So we're just going to work this all together. It's okay. Well, let's try this out. All right, I'm going to test the little primer first. This is so cute. This is adorable. Girl, I could go just like this because I like that look. Ah, this is dark. Let me swatch it on my hand. Oh my gosh. That is not my kind of shade. How do you apply this? This is such a strange shape. Okay, it's not looking too bad. Especially over the concealer and the primer, I guess. Kind of lightened it a little. But I don't like this shape at all. It's actually kind of hard to apply. But that's just my opinion. Okay, so it's not as bad as what I thought it was going to be. This is actually really cute. Overall, though, your girl's done for the day. Let's get this hair done. Oh, God. What is this? Wow. Maybe she's born with it. Okay. I put a little dry shampoo in today, so my hair is like Really throwing off those Mufasa vibes. So overall, I think this box was pretty good. This was the February box. You get the primer that feels really silky going on. You get the face wash that worked really nice. I'm going to continue to use that. You get this cool little lip crayon, and of course everyone's probably going to get a different color. Somebody out there gets a pale nude lip, hit me up, girl. I'll take it. And so yeah, the mascara is pretty good. I feel like I need a lot more. So yeah, voila, here I am, model status. Anyways, thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you haven't signed up for Boxycharm yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Boxycharm is bae. And I'm gonna finish everything off with another spray of my Slay All Day setting spray from Drawer Cosmetics, and this one is in Watermelon. I actually think I kind of like that lipstick on me. Oh my god. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.